Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. This appeal challenges the judgment and order dated 26/10/2017 passed by the learned single judge of the High Court of Uttarakhand at Nainital in writ petition number 1074 of 2008, thereby allowing the writ petition filed by the respondent numbers 1 and 2 landlords herein. Stop. The facts in brief necessary for adjudication of the present appeal are thus: Rashid Ahmad, the father of the present appellant, was the original tenant of house number 61/8, ground floor, green pasture view, land house, land hour, bazaar, Mussoorie, bracket hereinafter referred to as the suit premises or the premises, bracket close, since 1965. Stop. The respondents had purchased the suit premises from the original landlord Sudesh Kumar Singhal in the year 1998 and as such became the tenant Rashid Ahmad's landlord from 1988. Stop. The respondent's landlord moved an application before the rent controller and eviction officer Mussoorie on 10/6/1999, contending therein that Rashid Ahmad had sublet the property to some other persons who were not the family members of the tenant. Stop. As such, they prayed for declaration of vacancy under the provisions of section 16(1)(b) of UP Urban Buildings bracket Regulation of Letting, Rent and Eviction bracket close Act 1972 bracket hereinafter referred to as UP Act 1972 or the Act bracket close. Stop. On the application of the landlord, a rent control inspector was appointed to inspect the suit premises. Stop. The rent control inspector visited the suit premises and submitted his report on 16/8/1999. Stop. In the report, it was stated that Rashid Ahmad, who was the tenant, was not present in the premises at the time of the inspection, and he was informed by the occupants that he had gone to his village Bharatpura in Saharanpur district. Stop. The report further stated that Rashid and Akbar were sons of Hasunuddin and as such real brothers. Stop. The report stated that there were several persons residing in the premises and they comprised of 4 separate families, namely Rashid Ahmad, Inam, son of Rashid Ahmad, along with his 6 children, Sabir Ahmad, wife, Safikan and daughter, and Ayub and his children, Nasim and Nashima, respectively. Stop. The original tenant, Rashid Ahmad, filed objections to the inspection report stating therein that he and his brother and their families are living in the premises as tenant. Stop. He further stated that tenancy was in his name and there was no other person who was outside his family residing in the said premises, declaring the suit premises as vacant. Stop. During the pendency of the proceedings, the house owner informed the competent authority that on 19/1/2000, Rashid Ahmad died in his village Bharatpura, leaving behind his son Muhammad Inam, the present appellant, and his legal heir. Stop. As such, the name of Rashid Ahmad came to be substituted with that of the present appellant. Stop. The present appellant filed his application stating therein that he, along with other family members of late Rashid Ahmad, was residing in the said premises. Stop. The rent control and eviction officer came to the conclusion that the persons who were presently residing in the premises had not produced any evidence to prove that they were living as tenants since 1965 along with late Rashid Ahmad. Stop. As such, he came to the conclusion that the tenants had allowed persons to reside in the premises who are not members of the family and as such declared the suit premises as vacant, wide order dated 4/6/2003. Stop. Being aggrieved thereby, the present appellant along with his cousin Shabir Ahmad filed writ petition. Stop. Thank you.